Hey everybody, Jim Creel from Wild Horses here with you, and today I want to show you the best looking, best functioning Bronco power brake system on the market. So if you're searching for a power brake system for your Bronco, you got to ask yourself, do you want to hobcobble together a bunch of different parts and pieces from different sources, or do you want a complete system designed to all function together, look great, and perform exceptional? If your answer was the second one, you want to look at the Moab power brake systems from Wild Horses, the Hydroboost and the Vacuum Boost. To start with, over here on the Hydroboost, we use a precision CNC machined billet aluminum firewall mounting bracket. Why? Because it looks great and functions flawlessly. Next, we bolt on the brand new Bosch Hydroboost unit. Nothing rebuilt, nothing that has previously failed and been put back together. We have another billet bracket between the Hydroboost and the Wilwood aluminum master cylinder. The aluminum master cylinder from Wilwood looks great, and it saves a lot of weight hanging off the front of the unit. Moving on from the master cylinder, we've got stainless steel hard lines that go into the Moab proportioning valve. The Moab proportioning valve is adjustable, and it's super easy to adjust. You can simply reach into the engine compartment and adjust the valve by hand. From the valve, we have stainless steel brake hoses that go into a stainless frame bracket. Previously to the Moab design, you had to cobble together a bunch of adapters to hook the hoses or the curly pigtail steel lines up to your existing stock lines. With the Moab, you don't have to do any of that. The stainless steel brake hoses go right into the steel original lines on your Bronco with no adapters. And that makes your job of installation way easier. All that's made possible by the stainless bracket that we designed to bolt in the factory hole in the frame where the H-block used to be, or the original proportioning valve bracket for 76, 77 Broncos. Moving on from there, we have steel braided hydraulic hoses that run from the Hydroboost unit to your existing power steering. We also include a number of billet hose clamps for the hydraulic hoses and the brake hoses that give it that nice finishing touch. Over here on the Vacuum Boost unit, it's also all brand new parts. There's nothing rebuilt. All the same features of the hoses and the bracketry and the proportioning valve and the Wilwood master cylinder, it's the same for either one. Vacuum Boost is good, in our opinion, up to about 33-inch tires. If you're running bigger than that, you really need to consider stepping up to the Hydroboost. The difference between Hydroboost and Vacuum Boost is night and day. You will not be disappointed if you bump yourself up to the Hydroboost level. So another thing I should mention about the adjustable proportioning valve is there is a brake light switch included with it on the front. Now we give you a fitting where you can take that switch out if you're not going to use it, and most people are not going to use it. Most people would retain their existing brake light switch. But let's say you're a 66 Bronco owner, you would definitely use the switch because there's no provision to hook up a later style switch on your brake pedal. It's just another feature included as part of the Moab concept of power brake systems for your early Bronco. Now, with all of that out there, if you need more information, give us a call or go online to wildhorses4x4.com and check it out in more detail. So that's the tour of the Moab power brake systems from Wild Horses. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.